Hi, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we explored how to automate Visio using Excel. In today's video, we are taking it a step further. We will learn how to add our own custom shape to a Visio template and populate it with data from Excel step by step. Referring to Nitin's earlier query in the comment on my last video, he mentioned that having a column in Excel for application used at each step like Excel, SAP, email, and currently he is manually adding a small box at the bottom right corner of each activity shape in the Visio to show the application name. So his question was, is it possible to automate this process as well? Yes, definitely we can automate this process. He also wanted to add a customer title and header section. So we will also cover that in this video. So today we are going to learn how to create a custom shape, how to add a shape to your Visio template, how to link that shape to Excel data, and how to make the shape update automatically. So we'll go first, we'll create our custom shape in our Visio. Let's go to Visio, create a new. We need to have a blank drawing, create a blank drawing, and go to the more shapes. From more shapes, first create your own shape. I will go to the flowchart. I need BPMN basic shapes. So let's drag task. I have dragged it. Again, I will drag another task. Let's make a small box. We need this small box in the corner of the process. So let's make it more small. Let's name it SAP. Okay, I will give orange color to it. I need to group them together. Just select both of the shapes and just right click on it. You will get a group option and click on the group. It will group both objects together. You will see if you drag, they both are together. So we have created our own shape. Now we have to name it. Just go to more shapes, click on the new stencil. Here we have got our new stencil. Just drag and drop our shape into stencil. Just rename it. You can right click and just rename master. It is SAP underscore process. Again, I can use similar shape for Excel and for email. Instead of recreating it, I will drag same shape and just rename it with email. Now it has created another shape. Just drag and drop it to the shapes and rename it with email. Just again drag and drop. Let's Excel rename. Okay, I forgot to change the color. I will change it with the green to Excel and drag and drop here. For green, we have, for Excel we have green, and for email I need to change color. I will have yellow. Let's drag and drop, and I need to delete this one now. Delete this one, change it to email. If you go to the Excel file, you will see we have three custom processes like SAP process, email process, and again Excel process. We have successfully created three processes. Now we'll create a title. I will go to BPMN shapes. Just go to task. For now, I will have header. Header. Align it to left. Okay. Later. You can color it later, no worries. Again, I will create, I'm sorry. Just drag and drop it to the header. Header. Again, I will create a title and drag it to the title. And we can save this stencil and we can rename it to the custom shapes _1. Let's save this drawing to my video custom shapes _1. Save. So now we have created successfully our shapes. Let's create a new video. Import the video file, cross-functional diagram, and I will import custom shape sample file, and let's import the table. I will import custom shapes, I guess. Okay, sorry, I will, let's check the table name. Yeah, it's custom shapes. Click on the next. We don't need to map anything here. It has already mapped ID and description, shape type. We just need to map shape types with shapes. For custom title, I will go to more custom, more shapes, custom shapes. For this is our title, this is our header. Again, for start, I will go to BPMN. For Excel, we have Excel process. For email SAP process. Let's go to BPMN flowchart, BPMN shapes. Just change process to task. Start event for start, end event for end, gateways for decision, and I guess we are all good. Create on next and just click on the finish. Okay, so it has little bit messed up our header and title. We'll check that later. First, let's check with our shapes. They are like font is in black color, so we need to check. We need to convert them into white. Let's white and change it to 8. So I think everything is good. So we are good now. Again, so here we have predefined title. Let's remove that title. Yeah, we have show title bar and just remove separator. We can just place our heading and yeah. Let's manage our heading. I need to change the line color. So right now I'm changing it to black. So how is it? Not black, line color. If we take it gray, is fine. Again for this, for title also we need color to gray. They are good now, I guess. And instead of, we can use rectangle instead of task. That would be good if we use rectangle. And if you see, we have custom header, custom title, custom header, and we also have added custom shapes. I will just change the heading style. I don't want any heading, so I will click on it. Let's say it to 𝐵𝐶-Visio custom shapes sample underscore Visio. And now let's change the data. If instead of email process, if I do SAP process, and instead of, yeah, again we have email. Here we can change Excel. Again, let's change its frequency to monthly. Custom shapes to Visio diagram. Let's check if we can update it dynamically. Select the shape, click on the data design and refresh diagram. So it has successfully changed our title, our header, as well as if you see, it has changed to Excel again. Shapes also has changed to Excel. So hope you liked my video, and don't forget to like this video if it helps, and subscribe for more video and Excel automation tutorials every week.